Hey guys, this is sorry, my voice is my throat is a little sore. But anyway, so that since I've been playing, I mean, sorry, recording much videos lately, and either way, I'm going to be playing a lot of video games. I made it to just record a lot, but just warning you, I might be a little quiet every now and then. If that happens, that's why. I thought I would just play some more of this. I'm not good at that. Well, not super good. Especially with Jet, which is near impossible to control. Except for when you're landing, it's near impossible. Unless you do one of these landings, like onto the ground, and then you pick it up from there. Like that. Which is actually really helpful. Because now I can actually land on a certain way. Like that. That was a really good landing. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that one because more money, and also because with the jet, it's not gonna be too much of a problem getting there. And also, I just pop along on the way. Ooh, 18,000 now. That's really good. And I am getting better at flying the jet. Like, I can do tricks like that. Do it now. Flips are as easy as ever. Because I mean, the flips. I can do see where the water like rippling. I'm not as good at that, but I'm getting it. And $75,000. There we go. And $75,000 is actually pretty good. I didn't get that much by popping 5 balloons, I think it is. I don't know. I'm too lazy to do math right now. Oh, there. I forgot where it was. And land. That was on better land. But none of the missions can go any more than 50,000. It's kind of a shame because I could use another 50,000. Even that much would help me quite a bit. So I need 4,500,000 for my next special mission to buy another plane. And I think it's, well, I don't know what the mission is for that, but no, it's not going to be an easy one. Just because special missions never are. And let's try to land us. I'm getting really good at landing. That, or I'm just lucky and having the opposite luck of what I would have expected. Yep, still okay, my typical luck. But then again, I kind of jinxed myself. I should have known better. So, the second try was a good one. Come on, these are terrible missions. But hey, at least they're close. If it's close, it's not gonna give as much. Well, usually that's how it works. Oh, and it said the guy was lost trying to get to the pyramid. Just watch this. See that yellow ring? Now look at the pyramid. He's only like 50 something feet from it. Something like that. Or wait, I'm trying to figure it out. Like I forget the conversion between meters and feet. I think it's like, yeah, I think he's like 13 meters away from it. Yeah, I don't get offended if I didn't do it right. I'm not good with measuring and conversions. I've never been good with conversions or measuring. So please don't get mad. Okay, after this mission, I'm just gonna check how long I've been recording for, because I'm curious, and so I don't want to have it recorded too long, and then when I upload to YouTube, it takes forever to upload. Come on, just please, game. See if this game wants me to play more. I'm worried that once I check the time, it'll stop. But yeah, I haven't been recording much due to school, mostly, and then out of school activities, such as guitar, which once I do any song that I've gotten enough at, I will play it in a video. Whoops. Oh yeah, now I remember the special mission. Was break the speed of sound, which I have done before. Okay, 8 minutes, not too bad. I'll stop at 18. Or no, 14. Yeah, dang. Alright, it doesn't matter. I've broken the speed of sound before. I'll do it on video if you guys want proof. Only this game would load a bit faster. It's really easy. Go above the ocean. Fly up really high. Come on, an ad. Does it seriously have to do it right in the middle of this? And come on. There's not a worse time. What the heck? You know, I'm done. Wait. Sorry, I just need to recalibrate it. And did you see that white cone behind it? Because that was just showing that I broke the speed of sound, which is actually pretty fast. I believe it's 800 miles per hour, about. I don't know the exact amount, but I know it's in the 800s. Let's see if I can land. No, that's not getting landed. Whee! I just like to do flips. Like, do flips while you're going towards a mountain. And then just have to pull up. It's cool. Well, I think it's cool. Or going down valleys like that. Like, where it's like that. That's fun. I wish this plane would go faster. But then again, if it went any faster, I wouldn't be able to land it. So I have a hard enough time landing as it is. Okay, so it's going in from that angle. Have to drop the speed right here. And we'll maybe put the speed up a bit. Now drop it down. And done. I'm getting actually really good at landing. Okay, it's 70,000. It's pretty good. $70,000 is actually pretty good. Okay, so I know Minecraft and this are going to be a series, and then every now and then I'll just play random games just for the fun of it. Because I can. What? Is that a... Why is... You know what? Games are always going to have lighting glitches. I just need to deal with it. It's a fact. Oh, yay. Ten flips to celebrate. I think that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I think that was 10. Well, I think I should actually end this video. And I guess that's